guys, today I'm going to make all the characters sound effects except one. I'm going to make those are my truly sound effects. I don't want them. I gotta do this.
He won't let me have it.
Mario time! Oh yeah! Oh! Woohoo! Oh yes! Woohoo! Oh! Oh! I got it! It's Luigi time. Hey! Wow! Yes! Oh! Ooh! I won! Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh! 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 Oh yeah! It's Luigi!
Again, I'm skipping. I'm all
Let's go! Yay! Yes!
Please, my phone. I don't.
Here we go!
I'm just gonna, I'm getting these pretty over because I'm not gonna do these two. I just love you because the most. But I'm gonna do blue again.
Can I do
Twice.
some after this? Can I do some after Yoshi? I haven't got to the end yet.
I'm gonna do this.
Oh, can I do some of them after Yoshi?
Yes. Okay, go to Bodo. My sister's controlling now. So you're gonna press play. Now next. Next again. Just keep doing it until the sound. Just when you see it change into a sideways triangle, that's when you can press next. Press B now. Toad. No, go back. There we go. You don't need to press it every single time. You're just... I said when you see... You're just making things confusing. B. But you're just making things really confusing. Wait, I think you skipped a photo.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I'm not going to tell you to go to bed.
Press B. Wait, did you go through all of them? But you just making things so confusing.
Can I do Daisy?
No, we already did that. We already did that. B. Go down. Press the bottom button on the D-pad. And when you want to. Now go to that. And
Can you move the whole certain glasses?
But you know you're making things confusing.
Sidecar?
Yeah.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we did. Oh, I think we did. What, please? Let's grab one quickly. Because I'm hungry. I mean, not hungry.
Put your garbage in the garbage though, okay?
Okay.
I'll do the last. Can you do that while I eat?
Not your pizza. Open one piece of chocolate. Sorry. Down. And then go.
Yay! Okay. Yeah.
B. Down. And that. B. No. That last one. No, don't press B. Go back. Hey, no. Like that. I'll take it like that. There we go. Now B. And that's the end of today's video.